This question is asking us which bank would pay the most interest if I'm putting in £6,000. Now the first thing I need to do is work out which of the 4 columns is the one that I need to choose from. Now it's £6,000, so £6,000 is between £5,000 and £10,000. So it's from that column. Now, which row it is, whether it's A, B, C, D, depends on which one gives me the most interest. So the one that has the highest number in it will give me the most interest. And in this case, it is 0.9%. So my answer I'd write down is bank B.